Dear Zeelancer, to connect a custom domain to your website or store, follow these steps. First, log in to your account. Click Login, enter your username and password, then press the Login button. From the Home dashboard, click on Manage My Digital Space. You will be redirected to the section where all of your reserved slots are located. Find the slot you want to connect to a custom domain and click Custom Domain. You will be redirected to the Domain Management interface. In the input field, enter your brand's custom domain and click Add Domain. The system will generate DNS records for verification. To verify your domain ownership, you need to update 2 DNS records in your domain provider's settings. The first record is a text record. The second record is an A record. Open your domain provider's platform, such as GoDaddy, NameCheap, or any other registrar where you purchased your domain. Locate your domain and open DNS Management. Click Add New Record, select TXT as the type, and enter @ in the name field. Now, copy the TXT record from the ZeeLance platform and paste it into the Value field. Set a custom TTL. The lower the TTL, the quicker verification will complete. Click Save. Next, copy the A record from the ZeeLance platform. If an existing A record is already present in your domain's DNS, update it with the new value. If not, add a new A record. Paste the copied value into the Value field, check the TTL, and save the record. Once both records are updated, wait at least 30 minutes for DNS propagation across the globe. After 30 minutes, return to the ZeeLance platform and click Verify All Records. If everything matches, the system will automatically begin the domain verification process. During this process, ZeeLance will verify your domain ownership, check SSL compatibility, issue a free SSL certificate to secure your site, integrate your domain with your store or website, redirect traffic to your custom domain, and finally, the system will run a full test and submit the setup for review by the ZeeLance team. This review may take 30 minutes to 1 hour. Once approved, your store or website will be live and accessible worldwide on any device using your custom domain, secured with free SSL and fully branded under your name.